Now, question is, bako lang, ganun ka ba? Now, let's start with, I think I already have it. Let's start with round one. This is center stage. So for this round, rappers will get 32 bars to represent at ipagyabang ang pinanggalingan nila. You know how they represent. Dapat statement, dapat maas. You know what I mean? You ready? You ready? Jerry, you ready? Dap, you ready? Alright, let's go. Toss coin muna tayo. Bacolod, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, straight from Cebu, give it up for Dap. DJ, drop that beat.
G, Bacolod, let's go. What's up? G, sha, yeah. Let's go.
Burger, hold that beat, bitch.
City, pwede mo tistingan kung di ka bagay magpate. Taga diin ko, taga Santo Niño. Taga diin ko, taga Santo Niño. Taga diin ko, taga Santo Niño. PCB is my city, sa ulo mo nakasentro.
And that was round one. Round one pa lang to. Ano? We still have 3 more rounds. Tatlo pa. Dapat pa rin round pa. All out na mo for round 2.